In sToolTracker, you can record the precise location of your tools. Before we can do this, we need to configure the exact location policies. To do so, search for sToolTracker locations and open the card. Select New and then enter a code and a name for your location, and then choose the location policy. In this case, we've chosen a work location, where the tools will be temporarily stored for working. Next, we enter another location. In this case, it's going to be a quarantine location, a place where the tools go when they're broken or decommissioned. Next, we define a maintenance area where the tools go for repair or maintenance. This can be in-house or a third-party location. We now define an additional storage location. You can define as many locations as you like, which is appropriate for your business needs. Once we're done, we can use these locations in our tools.